Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles, here today to show you a 1958 Cushman Eagle. This is the 8 horsepower engine. This bike was totally restored. They chromed the clutch, the pulleys, did the fringe seat, the chrome dual exhaust, the wide white wall tires, and all this work was done in the late 90s. And it was basically a show bike. It's been well preserved. It's been in a collection of classic cars for several years. And we got it in, we cleaned it up a little bit. And I've got the paperwork where it was sold on eBay about 20 years ago. But it's got the, says Cushman Permalife lighting system. There's your fuel filter, your fuel valve, transmission, and it's got some staining on the frame, and that's from gas that was dripping out of the carburetor, but it's since been drained. There's your brake pedal, your engine guard, serial number stamped on the frame, 030935. It's got a leather diamond stitch seat and a 2-speed automatic transmission. It's even got dice on the valve stems. But it was a nice restoration. In fact, the last time it was on the road was September 1999 is the expiration. It's got the shifter here. It does have a scratch right here on the tank. The gentleman that had it in his car collection, and he had a few Cushmans and a few Hondas, and he just liked looking at them. We haven't tried to start it or put fuel in it. It does have really good compression. It's kind of hard to hold. Then this kicks up. But it's an 8 horsepower engine, which I believe was the higher horsepower version. But if someone took the time to clean the fuel system, carburetor, I bet you would light right up. It has been in a climate controlled environment for many years, so it's really in very nice shape. But it's a 1958, so it's, what, 65 years old. It's got the little eagle on the visor. Just a cool bike to bring back memories from back in the day. But we're putting this on Bring a Trailer at no reserve. And what Bronco Bob always says, the high bidder come get her. So the last bidder will own it. It does have a clear and clean Texas title. A lot of these old vintage bikes have no titles, or they're sold on a bill of sale. This one does have a title, and it was registered here in Texas. But it's a beautiful bike. If you're a Cushman enthusiast, you'll have this thing running in no time. And it's just it's a head turner. And the guy that had it before said he entered it in quite a few shows, and people always loved it. It's a cool rig. But I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails. Hope to see you in our showroom soon. And good luck with your bids on this Bring a Trailer no reserve auction.